is all ready for his walk. He's having some water. Sky is all set. He looks really funny in raincoat, but it's raining. Hello Sky. So that's why. Sky, hood utar gaya. Your hood is getting loose. Sky looks so funny. कौन है ये? Dude. Who's this dude? Oh my god, it's Sky the husky. So guys, it's raining. It's raining really bad. After a very long time, I'm walking Sky and it's continuously non-stop raining in Mumbai right now. Come here, this side. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Chalo. Sky is such a good boy. Welcome back to our channel and I hope you all are doing fine, and welcome to our Sunday vlog. And if you guys are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And it's continuously raining right now and it's really difficult to walk Sky, but all thanks to the raincoat, save a lot of time. Okay, so all of a sudden बारिश बहुत बढ़ गई है. Where are you going? How can you walk in circles? Come this side. Good boy. Slow, Baba, slow. Your mama is holding the camera. She's holding you. थोड़ा सा दया करो. Sky, इधर देखो. कैमरे में देखो. Good boy. Hi, beauty. Hi, it's raining. Happy monsoon. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Quickly. Chalo. I can't tell you कितना beautiful मौसम है. I don't know if you guys can feel the weather through this video, but it's really beautiful. And I'm wearing my Crocs after a year, of course. I'll show you guys a little bit. Sky, walk through. So it's so good. Sky loves to go inside. You love it. Weather guys, and I'm sure that you guys love this weather too. बाहर नहीं निकली थी काफी दिनों से. Sky को मैंने walk नहीं कराया था, so I thought आज I'll walk him here, and things are getting back to normal. So I'm really happy and I hope you all are enjoying monsoon in your city. And अगर monsoon नहीं आया तो बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा, because full-fledged मुंबई में monsoon start हो गया है. It's continuously raining and I don't think so it's good for my camera right now, because मेरा camera भी भीग रहा है. Oh, it's too sunny. Wow. home. My skin looks so good though. I have nothing on my face right now. Just going back. Our package just arrived. So this is what came in the PR today. It's Maybelline Fit Me Minis. This is such a cute pouch, a denim pocket size. As you guys can see, it's looking really good and cool. So there's basically Fit Me Foundation Minis and they look really good. So there are Fit Me Foundations Minis and also Liquid Maybelline Minis. I'm really excited to try. I think this is certainly one of the brand which everyone has used at least once in their life. So it's a lunch time and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था quickly क्या बनाऊँ मेरे लिए मम्मी के लिए. So I'm making veg pulao. It's super quick. बस ये ingredients चाहिए and a cooked rice. I'll quickly show you how. ऑयल थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पड़ेगा because we need to fry peanut and थोड़ा सा जो सोया हम लोग को भी थोड़ा फ्राई करना पड़ेगा. So it's well soaked. Make sure इसका पूरा जो water है अंदर से you remove it and then you can fry it. सबसे पहले जो fried items है उनको fry करके अलग कर देंगे. Then we'll start the preparation for the pulao. It's not a pulao basically क्योंकि वो pressure में बनता है, but this is more like a fried rice, but it ends up like a pulao. So ये अच्छे से fry हो गया है. इसको हम निकाल लेंगे. And now we'll add soya. इसको थोड़ा हल्का ब्राउन होने देना है. So you guys can see ये हल्के ब्राउन हो गए हैं. इसको निकाल देंगे. And now we'll add and fry some potatoes. हल्का ब्राउन होने तक we need to fry them. So आलू भी फ्राई हो गए. Now we'll remove it. They are ready. So now we'll add some cumin seeds. And now we'll add the ginger paste, onion and some chili. Now I'll add some salt. तो ये अच्छे से फ्राई होगा. Add very little amount of haldi, some coriander powder and some chili powder. And then mix it together. So ये काफ़ी अच्छे से फ्राई हो गया. Now we'll add tomato. Now we'll add जो हमने चीज़ें फ्राई की थी. Mix it well. इनमें ऐड करना है थोड़ा कि अच्छे से इसके साथ इसको अच्छा फ्लेवर आ जाता है. तो वो मिक्स इट वेल. ज़्यादा नहीं, बहुत ही कम पानी डालना है थोड़ा इसका फ्लेवर अच्छे से सोया भी सोख ले एंड जो हमने बनाया है सब अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाए. नाउ द मसाला इज ऑल रेडी. सो विल ऐड द राइस, कुक्ड राइस. इसको राइस के साथ अच्छे से पकने देंगे. So guys, pulao is ready. It's very quick, it's very simple and ये बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है. You can serve it with some papad and some raita. It's so delicious. I just can't wait to have it now. You guys can also enjoy it at home. It's very quick, also very delicious. And I hope you will try it too. Try and let me know. And if you want such more recipes, please comment below. I would love to share my quick recipes. I just got this package. Just got delivered. Let me just shut the door. It's big. Let's open and see what's inside. It's from Quench brand. Let's see इसके अंदर क्या है. So let's open this. It's very difficult to unbox and then hold the camera. अरे भाई कट जा. Finally, this was really difficult. So let's see. Okay, I need to really, I have to switch off the camera and open it, guys. It's otherwise very difficult to open the package by holding the camera. So मैं इसको open करती हूँ और देखते हैं क्या है इसके अंदर. So it was indeed a big task to open this package. Anyways, so it's really big and heavy. And this is from Quench. And if you guys are wondering what Quench is all about, so it's a skincare brand, and I'm really glad for this collaboration. So each and every product is separately packed, and obviously I can't show you guys because ये अभी launch नहीं है. So it's really beautiful. गाइस, एक तो ये बारिश और बारिश में चाय, मज़ा आ गया. ये मौसम का तो वेट हर चाय लवर करता है, एंड आई एम वन ऑफ देम. एब्सोल्युटली लव मॉनसून फॉर द फैक्ट दैट यू कैन हैव चाय. सो मुंबई में अनलॉक हो गया है. सबके अपने अपने ओपिनियंस हैं इसको लेकर. जहाँ तक मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इफ यू कंपेयर रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट्स, महाराष्ट्र का जो ग्राफ था वो वेरी बैड. द सिचुएशन वाज वेरी वर्स ड्यूरिंग कोविड. एंड सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हम लोगों की होती है वो ये होता है कि लोग अनलॉक सुनते ही जो बाहर निकलना शुरू कर देते हैं और सब चीजें सोचते हैं कि बैक टू नॉर्मल हो गई है. वहाँ हम गलती करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक माई पॉइंट इज दैट कि इफ at all it's not urgent and necessary, please do not gather in numbers. So हमारी गलती यही होती है कि हम अनलॉक के बाद जो हिसाब से जीने लग जाते हैं, that is very wrong, and वही हमको याद रखना चाहिए. And I think इससे ज्यादा मैं ज्ञान नहीं देती, otherwise it will be boring. Whatever it is, अनलॉक हो गया है, but that doesn't mean that everything is cool and normal. And अब कुछ भी normal नहीं है, to be very honest. अनलॉक हो भी जाए तो you have to still follow all the rules, and I think that's all we can do right now. So just these mangoes got delivered. लेके जा रही हूँ. Got these mangoes. It's right now 9:30 and there's nobody at home, so I thought, you know, I'll not cook for myself. I don't feel like cooking at all. मुझे बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं अपने लिए अकेले के लिए कुछ कुक करूँ. So मैंने अभी बाहर से खाना मंगाया. So I just got it. Going to have my dinner. So I'll also show you मैंने क्या order किया है. So I've ordered burnt garlic rice, which is my favorite, and also the Manchurian. So आज Chinese खाने का मन कर रहा था, and I thought, you know, there's no better option than burnt garlic rice and Manchurian. So I called for it. So ये शहजाद को मैंने ऑलरेडी डिनर खिला दिया है, बट इसकी नजर यहाँ पे भी है, which will not be fulfilled. Okay, this is not meant for you. Bye. So I'll enjoy my dinner and also end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe before leaving, and I'll see you guys very soon in our next vlog.